So, how to fix Snapchat save in chat option? First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. When you click on it here, it will take you to the app informations page. Or what you want to do is click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again, click on the permissions. Make sure that every single permission right here is enabled. And then go back and now click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links on this app and choose always allow. And the last thing I want to do now is update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.